you ready? Yes! Yep. Have your preparation done? Yes! Let's start our competition. Again. Now we will start with science subject. Okay, are you ready? Yes! Very good. Good spirit. First of all, class 3. I am starting from class 3. Yes! सबसे पहले हम इस तरीके से स्टार्ट करेंगे कि फर्स्ट जब मैं आपसे पहले स्पेलिंग पूछूंगी तो वो ग्रुप्स में पूछे जाएंगे. किस में पूछे जाएंगे? ग्रुप्स में. बॉयज और गर्ल्स. फर्स्ट ग्रुप ए इज गर्ल्स ग्रुप एंड सेकंड ग्रुप फॉर बॉयज. तो फिर आपने इस तरीके से बताना है कि जब मैं कोई स्पेल्स को बोलूं, कोई भी स्पेलिंग आपसे पूछना के लिए कोई वर्ड बोलती हूँ तो अगर 2 क्लास है या 3 क्लास है, गर्ल्स ने भी हैंड रेज करने हैं और बॉयज ने भी हैंड रेज करने हैं. ठीक है? और वो आप सब इकट्ठे कर सकते हैं. नंबर 1 इज करंट. स्टैंड अप मलिहा. CURRENT. Very good. Zen. Stand up. Flow. FLOW. Very good. Clap for. You can gain 1 point for another word. Battery. Aiza. BATTERY. Very good. Flex. FLEX. Shabash. You got another number? Yes. You lose. Sit down. Boys, any of you? Yes. Circuit. SCIR. Very good. You got this point. Conductors. ग्रुप में बताइए. कंडक्टर्स. गर्ल्स ग्रुप. CONDUCTORS. Very good. Insulators for boys. Boys. ELECTRICY. Good. Plastic. Yes. Girls बोलिए. Plastic. Chemicals. Yes. Girls. You lost this number. Okay. Next turn is for 4th class. Are you ready, 4th class? Yes. Very good. First to come, मैं पूछूंगी आपसे वर्ड्स, वो आपने ग्रुप्स में बताने हैं. ग्रुप ए और ग्रुप बी. जैसे कि मैंने पहले जो पूछा वो पर पर्सन पूछा है गर्ल्स एंड बॉयज में से. नेक्स्ट जो मैंने पूछा है वो ग्रुप्स में पूछा है. WONDER. Wandered. I said wandered. Okay, you lost this number. Outwards. Yes, boys. Outward. You lost this number. WARD. Okay. Next, ripples. Girls, ripples. In group. Group A, ripples. Okay, boys, clicking. CLICKING. You got your first point. Okay, next word is vibrations. Girls. Very good. Next word is circle. Next, one by one आप बताएंगे. Energy. Yes, girl. Shabash. Next word is produced. Ayan. PRODUCED. Very good. Sit down. Source. Bushra. Stand up. Okay, good. Sit down. Particles. Qasim. PARTICLES. Okay, very good. Are you ready, fifth class? In group A or B, there are two groups for 5 class. First group is for girls and second for boys. My first word is divided. Boys. DIVIDED. Very good. Second word is seedless. Yes, girls. Next word is confers. Angiosperms. Girls. Very good. Next word is cotyledon. Boys. COTYLEDON. Very good. Embryo. Embryo. Yes, girls. You lost. You lost this number, girls.
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Our next session is for single student. Is that clear?
Yes.
Group A में से भी single student बताएगा और group B में से भी single student बताएगा. Is that clear?
Yes.
Let's start. Germinate. Fajr.
GERMINATE.
Very good. Differentiate. Boys.
DIFFERENTATE.
You lost. TIATE. Folium. Yes. Ananta.
FOLIUM.
Okay, sit down.
UNDNES.
Yes, very good. Sit down. Scattered. Scattered. Ananta.
SCARTED.
You lost. Sit down. Now the science session is end. अब हम स्टार्ट करेंगे हमारा इंग्लिश सेशन. ठीक है? Are you ready?
Yes.
Good spirit. Let's start. Let's start from 5th class. 5th class, are you ready? First word in group, and my first word is gradually. Fajr. Very good. Sit down. Second word is occasion. Stand up. Very good. Sit down. Word is teenager. Yes. बताइए. Boys. जी बोलिए. Teenager. You lost. Sit down. Next word is seldom. Yes, you.
SELDOM.
Very good. Sit down. Next word is cupboard. Yes, Fajr.
CUPBOAR.
Very good. Sit down. अब हम सिंगल स्टूडेंट से पूछेंगे, ठीक है? For single student, my first word is immediately. Anamta.
IMD.
Counselor. Yes, you. Sit down. Okay, ठीक है. Conversation. Khizra.
CONVERSATION.
Very good. Sit down. Next word, politely. Yes, you won.
POLITDDIY.
Very good. Sit down. Last word is very good. Sit. Group 1, Group A or Group B? Group A for girls and Group B for boys. 5 words for grouping. ठीक है? My first word is housekeeper. Okay, boys. Very good. Next word is willow. Girls. You lost this number. Next word is hanging. Boys. Very good. My next word is favorite. Girls. Try. Yes, boys. Okay. You lost. PAN, not E. Now, single student will participate in this. Is that clear?
Yes.
Okay. Squirrel. My first word is squirrel for single student. Ayan Kashif.
SQURRAIN.
You lost. SQUIRREL. Polynesia. Polynesia. Yes, boy. Wrong. You lost. Hedgehog. Hedgehog. Kasi. Wrong. Sit down. HEDGEHOG. Okay. Next word is Doolittle. Yes, Bushra. Very good. You got this number. Next word is Dresser. Yes, Ahmed. You lost. Porridge. Porridge. Yes, Ayan. Wrong, you lost. P-O-R-R-I-D-G. Are you ready, 3 class? Yes! Let's start. Firstly, you can participate in group A for girls and group B for boys. And secondly, you can participate as a single student. Is that clear? Yes! Okay. My first word for group A is South. Yes, Aiza. S-O-U-T-H. Very good. Sit down. My second word is castle. Boys. Stand up. C-A-S-T-L-S. You lost. Sit down. Next word is message. Yes, Maliha. Very good. Are you ready, 3 class? Yes! Let's start. Firstly, you can participate in group A for girls and group B for boys. And secondly, you can participate as a single student. Is that clear? Yes! Okay. My first word for group A is South. Yes, Aiza. S-O-U-T-H. Very good. Sit down. My second word is castle. Boys. Stand up. C-A-S-T-L-S. You lost. Sit down. Next word is message. Yes, Maliha. Very good. My next word is decided. Yes. For single student, Aiza. D-E-C-I-D-E-D. Okay. Sit down. Next word is crabs. Wrong. I said crabs, not crabs. Coconut. Okay, sit down. My next word is Zealand. Yes, you can. You lost this number. Are you ready for result? Yes! कैसा रहा competition? मजा आया? Yes! Okay. Our first winner is class 3. Class 3 is first. 28 points है आप लोगों के 40 में से 28.
आप लोगों की ग्रुपिंग में अच्छे थे स्पेलिंग्स, जब आप लोग ग्रुप में आंसर कर रहे थे तो अच्छे आंसर्स कर रहे थे तीनों क्लासेस, लेकिन सिंगल बच्चों ने अच्छे याद नहीं किए स्पेलिंग्स।
आपका कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल लूज था, आप एज अ सिंगल स्टूडेंट अच्छा परफॉर्म नहीं कर रहे थे, आप कंफ्यूज